Guys, what is up? Here is trade recap from today. I'm going to go over how I find my daily bias, how I find the market structure in, and how I just overall look for points of entry, like points I want price to go towards before I get my entry, and pretty much exactly what I'm looking for day to day from the moment I get on the charts to when I execute and place my trades. So, that being said, first step of the strat, as some of you all know, is to figure out what market structure we're in. Are we trending bullish? Are we trending bearish? We're going up, we're going down, what are we doing? So I'm sure, I'd hope all you guys would say that we are trending bearish here, right? You can lower lows, higher lows, blah, 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 and whatnot. So this morning we were pretty clearly in bearish structure. So I had marked out this 15-minute bearish gap as a potential point of interest because we're in bearish structure, and I love when we tap into 15-minute higher time frame gaps. Okay, and then my draw on liquidity for the day was this low over here, right? Very, very clean draw on liquidity, very standalone low, very strong draw on liquidity. That is where I want to see price move towards. Okay, so I have my structure being bearish. I have my 15-minute gap I want price to retrace into, and then I have my clear drawn liquidity. So when price is this clear like it is today, if you know anybody that kind of took a loss today trading this New York session, kind of got to question what they're doing. But obviously I have losers, and I'm sure people could say the same about me. But this was just very, very clean, very obvious drawn liquidity, market structure, and everything. So market opens, and we end up manipulating up into this 15-minute bearish gap and immediately seeing some very strong rejection from it, okay? And I immediately get short after seeing this rejection with my stop above the swing, my TP at these lows, right? So, ends up playing out pretty nicely, but I go break even once we come into this 5-minute bullish gap, and the reason for that is because we could respect that 5-minute gap and move higher, and also because we had like triple equal lows right here. We had equal low here, equal low here, equal low here, and we came and swept that down, or swept those lows off open. So hypothetically, we could have swept all these lows and then just pushed higher, right? So I went break even there. We do end up getting break even, but I'm not upset about getting break even there at all, like in the slightest. So I stay patient, stay waiting for an entry, and we end up getting another entry right here, right? We end up coming up into this 1-minute gap, 30-second gap, holding it, pushing lower, and we end up getting a nice 30-second inversion here. That is our entry. Stop above the high. We end up catching like a 3RR here. We end up hitting full TP. But I ended up getting out like around here or something. But, I mean, just super, super clear, right? Like, clear draw on liquidity, clear imbalance we retraced into, and then just a clear inversion, right? Like, this is picture perfect, just extremely textbook. And if you think about it, all of your trades should feel this obvious. Like, that's something I need to work on as well, is just like waiting for just beautiful trades like this. Like if you can't find a trade where it's like, wow, there's no way this doesn't hit, it's like, this is just an amazing trade, A plus, I would take this 100 times out of 100, then more than likely you probably shouldn't be taking it. But this was just, again, just a beautiful trade. And yeah, let me know what questions you guys have, but I love all you guys. Hope God's blessing you, having a good day. But yeah, let me know what questions anyone has.